Need a fun way to spice up your day or plan a team outing with flavor? Then you have to try a cooking class in Atlanta. Today, I've got the dish on where to learn to cook, whether you're a novice or an expert. Hi, I'm Ariel with Unexpected Atlanta, the city's #1 food and history tour company. Today, I've got the inside scoop on Atlanta's best cooking classes for food lovers of all kinds. If you've ever dreamed of rolling fresh pasta, mastering the perfect Southern biscuit, or just want a date night that doesn't involve another restaurant waitlist, Atlanta has you covered. Whether you're brand new to the kitchen or a confident home cook, these classes are fun, hands-on, and filled with local flavor. Let's start with one of my personal favorites, Unexpected Atlanta's Historic Market and Food Tour Plus Biscuit Class. In just 2 hours, you'll taste your way through Atlanta's oldest public market, sample dishes from 5 locally owned restaurants, and learn how to make flaky, buttery biscuits from scratch. It's fast, fun, and full of Southern charm. Perfect for families, friend groups, and even corporate team building. In addition, join chefs in the same municipal market space to learn how to roll sushi or to make the perfect fried chicken with Cocu Social. And if you're a true foodie, make sure you attend one of the free book talks hosted by Unexpected Atlanta, which often includes local authors delving into food geekery, like the history of prohibition in Atlanta. Next up, Chinese Southern Belle. This one's something special. These classes mix Asian flavors with Southern comfort. Think stir fry meets soul food, all rooted in family recipes and cultural storytelling by Chef Natalie Kang. You'll walk away with new skills and understanding of food history and maybe even a new favorite sauce. If Italian food is your love language, Bellina Alimentari at Ponce City Market is a must. Their monthly classes cover everything from pasta making and fermentation to kids' workshops and wine tastings. It's intimate, well taught, and seriously delicious. Great for a date night, girls' night, or solo treat yourself night. For food and wine, check out Vino Venue in Dunwoody. These classes pair chef-led cooking sessions with guided wine tastings. You'll prep a multi-course meal and then sit down to enjoy it all with perfect wine pairings. It's like a night out and a culinary education all in one. Still hungry? Well, here are a few more amazing options across Atlanta. A&S Culinary Concepts offer private events, big green egg boot camps, and group classes with a laid-back, energetic vibe. The food tutor actually comes to you, perfect for home dinner parties, anniversaries, or impressing your boss or clients. Rathbun's interactive classes are legendary and they sell out fast. You'll cook alongside award-winning Atlanta chef Kevin Rathbun and enjoy a 4-course meal. Lastly, the Cook's Warehouse in Midtown has classes on everything from croissant baking and knife skills to global cuisine, all taught by pro chefs. No matter your skill level, budget, or dietary preferences, there's a cooking class in Atlanta that'll help you learn something new and have a blast doing it. Plus, you get to eat your creations. What's better than that? So, grab an apron, bring your appetite, and come cook up something unforgettable. Want more Atlanta food experiences? Visit us at unexpectedatlanta.com. Hit those like and subscribe buttons. You want to stay in the know of all things Atlanta. And we'll see you in the kitchen.